Niyo pa yung how did? Tanan, tanan, how did? Tanan, tanan. How did you know po? Play. Serious. DJ, can you turn up? Can you stop? Please, please. Ayan, okay. Wait for my cue. Hindi, kasi para maramdaman ko naman na kunyari singer ako kasi kanina sinundan ko singer si Eric Santos. At tas, ganitong gawin natin. Pagkatugtog na pagkatugtog, magpapalakpakan kayo, ha? Ganun, ha?
Okay.
Oo. Tapos, pagkanta ko, ganun, I remember so well. Gaganon kayo, wow! Dali! Subukan natin yung wow. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Ganyan, ha? Ganyan, ha? O, sige. Pagtugtog, palakpakan, ha? Yung hiyaw, kunyari, concert, ha? O, sige. Play! Para namang horror boot yung sinakyan nyo. Okay, one more. Yung may conviction naman yung wow. Yung amaze na amaze, hindi naman yung wow. Ano to? Horror boot. Yung maayos. Di yung ano. One more, DJ. Play. Hydraulics kunyari. You came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright. With you right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. Come on, if you know the song. How did you know? I needed someone like you in my life. That there was an empty space in my heart. You came out the right time in my life. I never forget the hallelujah sa mga job ng demonyo. Napay gagaling. And the worries and fears that I had, I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did someone like you in my life, that there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Oh, I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how I love you. Nasaan ako? Sino kayo? Grabe. Taas-taas naman ng kantang yan. You love the song? You want more? You play it again. No. I'm just kidding. Hindi, alam mo sa lahat ng